Okay, everybody, we're back again with another quick video. This video is going to be about the type tool. Now, in the past, and even currently, the way you make a title, like words on the screen, would be to come here to File, New, and click on Legacy Title, and then it would make a little graphic file that would go down here in your bin, and then you move it into your timeline and you make your adjustments. Now, the type tool was created so that it could make that process a lot quicker. For instance, if you just need to put somebody's name on there real quick, you could do that. So that's what we're going to do. So it's down here in the edit tools section, and it's called the type tool. It's real easy to call this the text tool. I do it all the time myself, but you need to realize, or remember at least, that what it's actually called is the type tool, because when the question pops up on the test, they are not going to call it the text tool. They're going to call it the type tool. So you're going to click this, and then once you do that, you see this little your arrow turns into this thing here, so that you can now basically drag a line and make a text box on the screen. And then once you do that, you can type inside of there the name. Okay. So once you have that on the screen like that, you can change the size of it. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. You can type some more stuff in there. Okay, or take it out. Okay, and change the size of it to make it smaller again, to get it out of your way. And that is the type tool. So you can now move this around on the screen anywhere you want it to go, and it'll be there. And when you do this, it creates a little graphic file in your timeline. And the graphic file you can actually move around as well. You can put it, a different wherever you want it to go in the timing of your timeline. So you can move that there. And that's basic type tool stuff. However, if you wanted to have some more control, if you wanted to do some other things, all you have to do is double click it, come over here to Effect Controls, and then it shows up here in your effect controls, like everything else that you add to a timeline. So you got this little triangular thing here, you got this little toggle on and off thing, which is the little thing that looks like an eyeball. You can actually turn it off on the screen by clicking it, and see it's got a little slash through the eyeball. That means it's turned off. If you click it again, it turns it back on, and there you go. But if you click this little triangular drop down, you have that, and now you have control over your text. So you can change the font if you want to. You can change the size of it. I changed the size way too big and it left the screen. So you can change the size. You can make it bold or put bold italics to it. And there you go, just like that. So if you ever just need like a quick and easy font to put up on the screen, nice and easy, that you just need something there real quick, that is the type tool, and that is how you do that. So hopefully that helps you. When a question pops up on the test, you'll know exactly what to do, and that's it. That's the type tool. We'll see you again next time for the next video. Thank you.